was invited to a house party this weekend, to do like a comedy set. So I figured I'd bring you along. So come on, let's go check it out.
Ah yes, it looks as though our esteemed guests are taking their seats now and preparing for the show. Are you ready?
Oh, you thought I meant like a house party. Well, it is a house party, just no one was invited.
Did you really think my jokes were that bad?